All right, so I'm gonna attempt to record a tour of this room. So if you can't see anything, well, join the club. All right, so on the left-hand side, when you first enter the room, is the closet. This is where you find your ironing board. The safe is also in there with robes and bedding on top. And you close the closet. To the right of it is where you can find the waters, the coffee and tea, and the coffee maker. Underneath, in this cabinet, there's the ice bucket and also some glasses. All right. And I realized it was closing. Anyhow, all right, 180-degree turn. Then here is the bathroom. On the left is the sink, toilet right in front, and then shower on the right. The shower is really comfortable. Very nice high pressure shower despite being on a high floor. Unfortunately, you have to go in and turn it on. It's kind of cold, but it's okay. When you turn it to the shower nozzle, you do have to turn the water off and then back on in order to get to the shower head again. So just a warning. And then the shower thing's on the wall, so the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And as you can tell, it's pretty loud in the bathroom here. There's only one switch here. So what I would suggest is close this door. See how quiet it is? All right. Okay, so on the left-hand side here, there's the thermostat with the in-wall AC/heating unit. There's a little ottoman on the left-hand side as well. This is where I'm keeping my luggage right now. Then moving more forward, on the left-hand side is the desk. Right in the middle of the desk area is the TV. And then on the right-hand side of the desk area is where you can find the fridge. All right. Hopefully you can see that. All right. Venturing more forward, there's lighting. And then I have a balcony view, but we will go out there in a bit. Sitting area. A door if you book the other room. If not, tell your roommate to sleep on the bed that's nearest to the door, because, you know, that's the best thing to do. 2 double-sized beds with a nightstand in the middle. That's where you can find the phone and the alarm clock. And yeah, very comfortable beds. Here's the room. And let's go outside. Pull this out. And then push this down. And then pull. Okay. Now, they said that this is a pool view. Comment down below if it is or not. I don't know. All right, let's head on over here so I can do a pan of what the patio area looks like, the balcony. Sitting area. And we will end on the view. Comment down below if you would stay here.